Before buying a ladder rack for your truck, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these racks look similar and claim to be the best, but real buyers are definitely complaining about hidden issues. Product number 1, JY Performance Ladder Rack. The JY Performance Truck Bed Ladder Rack caught my eye with its impressive 800 pounds capacity and no drilling installation, all for around $116.99. If you want a sturdy and easy-to-install solution for transporting long cargo, this is worth a serious look. This means you can haul everything from ladders to surfboards without worrying about instability. The heavy-duty 10-gauge steel construction ensures you can trust it to hold up under pressure, while the rope hooks let you secure your gear properly. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 414 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the difficulty in removing the rack once it's installed. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who frequently hauls long items, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. You need stability and strength, which this rack delivers. This is perfect for you if you often transport bulky items and need a reliable no-drill rack. Skip this one if you have a truck with a toolbox or require a highly portable setup. For the price, it offers solid value for anyone in need of a rugged solution. Product number 2, VEVOR Extendable Steel Rack. Next up is the VEVOR Extendable Steel Truck Ladder Rack, priced at $119.90. This rack also boasts an 800 pounds capacity and features a quick no-drill installation. If you want an adjustable and robust option, this one deserves your attention. The VEVOR rack extends between 46 to 71, making it compatible with various full-size pickups. The triangular gusset design provides enhanced stability, and the included ratchet straps ensure your cargo stays in place. With 4.4 stars from 769 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its sturdiness and ease of use. However, some users noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, as long as you take your time, setting it up shouldn't be too complicated. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with potentially confusing instructions. Given the quality, it's a solid investment for regular haulers. Product number 3, VEVOR Universal Cargo Rack. Check out the VEVOR Truck Ladder Rack priced at $96.90. This one's a bestseller and for good reason. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this is worth considering. With its adjustable width from 49 to 73, this rack can adapt to most pickups. The durable steel construction offers a weather-resistant coating, so you don't have to worry about rust ruining your investment. Plus, it's rated 4.5 stars from 79 reviews, indicating solid user satisfaction. Some users mention the need for drilling during installation, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, if you're okay with a more permanent installation, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize cargo space without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer a no-drill option. For the price, it provides a great balance of durability and performance. Product number 4, MAXXHAUL Heavy Duty Rack. The MAXXHAUL Heavy Duty Truck Ladder Rack comes in at $109.99 and offers adjustable arms from 19 to 34. If versatility and durability are what you're after, this might just be your pick. Constructed from all-steel material, it's built to handle demanding use, making it perfect for hauling various lengthy items. The powder-coated finish ensures it resists wear and corrosion, and with 1,400 reviews averaging 4.2 stars, it's a trusted choice among many users. However, some found the installation to be a bit challenging. But honestly, if you're handy at all, it's manageable and the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. This is great for you if you need a reliable rack that can handle diverse loads. Skip this if you want something that's super easy to install right out of the box. Overall, it offers a strong mix of functionality and durability. Product number 5, Elevate Overcab Rack. Finally, we have the Elevate Ladder Truck Rack priced at $338.99. This one's on the higher end but offers some unique features. If you want something that prevents cab damage while carrying long cargo, this is a serious contender. This rack supports up to 800 pounds and features an overcab design, distributing weight without stressing your truck's roof. The no-drill installation is a big plus for many buyers, as it saves time and keeps your truck intact. It holds a rating of 4.3 stars from 667 reviews, which is impressive. However, the price might be a bit high for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you regularly carry long loads, this investment could save your truck from damage in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want to avoid damage to your cab while still carrying hefty items. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and don't need the overcab benefits. For those who need reliability and safety, it's worth every penny. To wrap it up, we've seen some solid contenders in the ladder rack world. The JY Performance and VEVOR options offer great value for frequent haulers, while the MAXXHAUL provides versatility for various cargo. If you need to avoid cab damage, the Elevate rack is a great choice. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that fits your needs best.